Occasionally we have somebody that wants to come and they're nervous to come through the door, and we actually go outside and encourage them to come in. And we've had people who have been very lonely have come here, and one or two have said to us they don't know what they did before they came here, because from being very lonely they now have a network of friends. They go out for coffee. It just brings older people back out into the community and to realise that they still have a lot to offer.